In this video, I'll show you how to change the ear tips, the tips of your AirPods Pro 3. So in the box, it comes with these over here, extra small, small, and large. And the one that are included are the medium. To remove the ear tip, all you have to do, I'll give you my tip, honestly, it's to put it upside down. Okay, simply pull on it gently until it is in this position. And then you're going to simply pull it completely out. Every ear tips have a marking. I know it's hard to see on the camera, but over here I see an M being written on the inside. Now take the new ear tip you want to use. Let's say I want the extra small. And as you notice on the AirPod, this is an oval. And this is an oval as well. You simply have to bring both of these together, take your thumb and push until you hear a click. And this is about it. Once the click is heard, it means it's safely in place and you can start using them. So very easy to remove, okay? Number one, put them in this position, then simply pull. Take the new ear tip, align it, push it with your thumb or with a finger. You hear the click? This is it. If you don't like the tips that come with these AirPods, I'll put in the description links towards tips made out of foam, which will mean that the AirPod will stay in your ear more securely, and for many people it's also more comfortable than these. So check my Amazon links in the description, leave a like, comment, and I will see you in the next video.